Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. In today's video, we're going to take a look at three of the most common rock symbols used on nautical and electronic charts throughout the world. You want to be able to identify these dangers at a glance to avoid grounding or damage to your expensive sailboat. In the first illustration, you see a plus sign, and this shows a rock that lies under the water at all stages of the tide. At low stages of the tide, the rock will be hidden, and at higher stages of the tide, this rock will also be hidden. Keep clear of these dangerous rocks to avoid damage to your hull, keel, rudder, or propeller. A plus sign with dots in all four corners means a rock awash at the level of chart datum. Chart datum refers to the low water datum used on your nautical chart. You can find this information under the title block of your chart. Awash means that an object lies just level with the water's surface at the low water datum used on your chart. You'll often be able to see these rocks at low tide, but not always. In choppy or breezy weather, the water that covers the object may break to create waves over and around the rock. At higher stages of the tide, the rock awash will not be visible. Set your course to stay clear of rocks awash. An asterisk represents rocks that cover and uncover. At lower stages of the tide, these rocks poke their heads up above the surface. At higher stages of the tide, they will be covered. In all cases, keep your sailboat clear of these deadly dangers to avoid catastrophic damage. Let's take a look at the rock symbols as they appear on a nautical chart. A plus sign with dots in all four corners indicating a rock awash is marked by numbuoy number 10. A plus sign marked by numbuoy number 2 indicates a rock that lies hidden beneath the surface at all stages of the tide. Note the asterisk symbols that run along Gurnet Point and the green intertidal area. These asterisks indicate rocks that cover and uncover with the tide. Now you know how the three most common rock symbols will appear on your nautical or electronic chart. Use these sailing navigation tips to help you sail safer on the waters of the world. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.